Hello. We live and work in the Sonoran Desert of southern Arizona. That's Drew. And Nick. And that's me. I'm Kara. Right now, our desert faces a serious threat from an invasive plant. And that plant is Buffelgrass.
Buffelgrass is a non-native invasive grass introduced from Africa. It was brought over in the 1930s for erosion control and for cattle forage. It is now well established throughout the Sonoran Desert. Buffelgrass spreads exponentially, and this patch right here could double in size in just 2 to 3 years. Buffelgrass is a perennial bunch grass. Perennial means that it's alive for more than 1 year, and bunch grass refers to the fact that all of the stems originate from a common base. During the dry season, Buffelgrass is straw-colored and has a very messy appearance. However, when it rains, Buffelgrass starts to green up and forms a reddish-purple seed head shaped like a bottle brush. It also has white hairs where the leaf blade diverges from the stem. You can think of this as a hairy armpit. After the seeds have dispersed, the central stem, or rachis, is very rough to the touch. This is a distinctive feature of Buffelgrass, and one of the best ways to identify it. If we compare Buffelgrass with similar-looking native grasses, none of them have this single abrasive central stem, the rough rachis.
Buffelgrass is a threat for a couple different reasons. It outcompetes native plants. This permanently alters the composition of the ecosystem. It also increases fire risk. Deserts naturally have open spaces which prevent the spread of fire. Buffelgrass fills in these gaps, allowing for the linkage of fire. These fires damage and kill native plants, while Buffelgrass is able to resprout.
Because Buffelgrass is so aggressive, it can be hard to manage. But through the use of manual and chemical treatments, it can be done. There are essentially 2 ways to manage Buffelgrass: pull it up or spray it with herbicide. When digging up Buffelgrass, gather a clump of grass in one hand and pull while loosening the soil with a digging tool. The entire root must be removed. If any of the plant remains behind, it will resprout. The prying action with a digging bar is also effective, especially with a partner to help pull out the grass.
The use of an herbicide that contains the active ingredient glyphosate also provides an effective treatment. However, glyphosate only works on green plants and should only be applied when the plant is at least 50% green.
Because Buffelgrass seeds remain viable in the soil for many years, it usually takes 3 to 5 years of consecutive treatment for patches to be totally eradicated.
If we don't do anything about Buffelgrass, the Sonoran Desert will forever be changed. This could include the local extinction of saguaros.
The spread of Buffelgrass will continue to affect our quality of life. This includes our ecotourism, our scenic beauty of the Sonoran Desert, real estate value, and even public safety.
At this point, Buffelgrass can no longer be eradicated. But with your help, we can manage it in our parks, yards, roadways, and preserve our beautiful Sonoran Desert viewscapes.